Hey everyone, welcome back to Bright Learn Education, where we make coding simple, smart, and future-ready. Python is changing fast, and if you're still stuck on basic print statements, you're falling behind. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, these are the top Python concepts you absolutely must know in 2025 to stay ahead. And the last one is logic building concept for you. Topic number 1: F-strings, formatted strings. Cleaner and faster string formatting. At number 2, type hinting in Python. This argument should be a string. The function returns a string. At topic number 3. Using enumerate and zip. Cleaner loops and multi-list iteration. Number 4. Custom exceptions. Define your own error types to handle specific situations. Number 5, generators and yield. Memory efficient iteration using yield instead of return. Last one of this video. List comprehensions and dictionary comprehensions. Fast, one-liner loops. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and share it with a friend who's learning Python too. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe Bright Learn Education for more related content.